Amidst the polling season by the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy against Prime Minister Modi, it will be interesting to see what would be BJP's response to Prime Minister Modi being compared with a cobra. Another day, another barb coming in from the opposition towards Prime Minister Modi. We are witnessing another jibe being thrown by the opposition towards the Prime Minister, where Telangana's Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has now compared the Prime Minister with cobra and blamed him for nursing vengeance and extracting revenge when the right time comes. He added on and said that Prime Minister wants to change the constitution and turn farmers into slaves and take away the reservations of Dalits and tribals. I request the public of Telangana to rethink before they cast their vote. We have CNN News 18's Swastika joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details about the political battle which can now be expected post this barb coming in from Telangana Chief Minister himself. Swastika, what can be expected next? Please walk us through the political developments that you have received.
Well, it is only in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections here that Revanth Reddy, Telangana Chief Minister and also star campaigner of the Congress, leading his charge against Narendra Modi government, questioning over the central government's contribution to the state of Telangana, and in that context, he waded into controversy, likening the Prime Minister with cobra, saying that Narendra Modi is somebody who nurses vengeance and also exacts revenge when the time is right. And this is rather to be seen in the context of the farm laws which were repealed by the central government. Revanth Reddy is of the opinion that the Narendra Modi government is allegedly trying to trample upon the rights of the farmers by selling them off to industrialists. One of the accusations he says in that soundbite. And the second thing, he is also accusing the central government and has also been hinting that the Modi government, if voted to power, is likely to take away the rights of the Dalits and the tribal community along with the Muslims. So it's a war of words that's transpiring as far as Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is concerned. He's been campaigning. Telangana, remember, has 17 Lok Sabha seats and the Chief Minister has set a target of winning at least 14 of them.
Right, Swastika, and as we can clearly see that this matter is going to snowball even further. Can we expect the BJP to milk out of this particular issue? Because this is another time that the opposition has compared Prime Minister Modi to cobra and some other animal.
Oh, absolutely. The language used by Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is certainly something that has not gone down well as far as BJP is concerned. They've been accusing Revanth Reddy of using derogatory terms against the Prime Minister. And not just that, just a couple of days ago, you've also had all the central leaders coming here and flanking the local candidates. Anurag Singh Thakur was also here. In fact, he also said that the Chief Minister here is working on the payroll or is working in tandem with the local party, which is MIM, and also is working as an agent of the BRS as well. These allegations have been charges have been going back and forth as far as Telangana politics is concerned. But as far as Revanth Reddy is concerned, he is the man who is leading the party's campaign as far as the state is concerned and is extremely confident of winning at least 14 seats. And this confidence comes in the backdrop of the state in itself witnessing a change in government from BRS to now Congress being led by him.
Right. Swastika, please stay with us. Let's listen in to what Telangana Chief Minister has to say about Prime Minister first.
కాల నాగుల అంటోడు తోక దొక్కుతే ఊకునే టైపు కాదు. పగ పెట్టుకుంటాడు, పగ పడతాడు, ఎక్కడున్నా ఇడవడు. అందుకే ఈ ఎన్నికల్లో ఎట్లయినా 400 సీట్లు గెలవాలి, రాజ్యాంగాన్ని సమూలంగా మార్చాలి. ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే